What's up guys, my name is Technobo. A friend reached out to me recently wanting to know how to record his screen using any free program. I mentioned OBS and he got very lost along the way, making me think, hey, I should make a video for those of you who want to simply record your screen using OBS very simply. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. So number one, open up Firefox or Chrome and go to the link down in the description below, the first link, and download OBS. When you get to the website, you'll be presented with this. Simply click Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then download installer. Hit save, and wait for the download to finish. Run the installer. Next, next, next. Just ignore this here. Install. And then hit finish. Read through the terms if you wish, hit OK. And then hit yes. So, optimize for recording. Next. Set the resolution to the resolution you want. I'll be recording in 1080p. And then either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. Leave it as is, hit next. And then apply settings. It'll automatically select the best recording settings for you and your PC. So next up, simply hit the plus underneath sources. And then display capture. Hit OK. And then hit OK again, and you can see that you are currently seeing your own screen. To start recording, simply hit the Start Recording button, and then hit Stop Recording when you're done. If you'd like to change where it saves to, hit Settings, Output, and then you'll see the settings here. So ignore everything up here. This is the place that you want to focus your attention on. You can hit Browse and change it to wherever you want, or you can type it in here and then simply hit OK when you're done. If you're finding that the recording format is FLV and not MP4 and you'd like it as MP4, simply see next to recording format, FLV, click that, change it to MP4 if you'd like. Then, if your video is looking blurry because you're moving a lot of things and it's not looking sharp enough, you can always go ahead and raise the bitrate to something like 5000, which is double to 500. Of course, if it's still blurry, you can raise it even higher, but you probably won't need to if you're just going to be recording your desktop. Everything should be fine as is. If you're experiencing issues, lag, under encoder, change it from software x264 or whatever it's set to a different one. If you have an Intel processor, you'll more than likely see QSV, which stands for Quick Sync Video, which is Intel's recording technology. Then you also have NVENC, which is for NVIDIA. So obviously you can pick one of those and it shouldn't change much on your screen. If you're finding that the audio is of terrible quality, hit that and raise it to 320 or whatever you want. Then of course, if you're not getting any sound, you can always go to audio and then change the default desktop audio device to whatever device you're currently using, and or your microphone to whatever microphone you have plugged in. Under video, you can change the canvas resolution, which is the resolution of this box over here. As you can see, the video of my screen does currently not fit in it. These dots are meant to be in the middle, but instead they're off-center. So that's because my middle screen, the one that it's recording right now, is in fact 2K and not 1080p. So one solution is to either raise the base canvas resolution to the full screen size and hit apply. And you'll see that it's in the center. Or if you don't want to do that and you just want to record at 1080p, you can always hit OK, close that, and then come back here and hit Control S. If it's not centered, like over here, you can hit Control D. If it's not selected, just click on it down here. So anyway, that's it. That's how to basically record your system using OBS, which is free. You can go and download it from the link down in the description below. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helped you guys a lot. My name is Technobo, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.